Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream like a Michelin-star chef. First, select the finest ingredients. Fresh cream, whole milk, and pure vanilla extract are essential. Next, focus on balancing your fat and sugar content, which is crucial for a creamy texture. Finally, ensure your ice cream base is completely chilled, ideally for at least 4 hours, before you even think about churning. This preparation sets the stage for an exceptional dessert. Now, let's craft that perfect base. Gently combine your dairy, sugar, and chosen flavorings in a heavy-bottomed saucepan. Heat this mixture slowly, stirring continuously, until it reaches about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not boil it. This gentle heating helps dissolve the sugar and pasteurize the eggs if you're using them. Afterward, strain the warm base through a fine mesh sieve to ensure a silky smooth consistency. Once your base is perfectly chilled, it's time for the magic of churning. Pour the cold base into your ice cream maker and churn for 20 to 30 minutes, or until it reaches the consistency of soft-serve ice cream. Over-churning can introduce too much air, so watch it closely. The goal is a smooth, pliable texture. Immediately transfer this soft ice cream into a pre-chilled, airtight container to prevent ice crystal formation. For that Michelin-star finish, proper freezing is key. Place your container in the coldest part of your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or overnight, to allow it to firm up completely. Before serving, let it sit at room temperature for 5 to 10 minutes to achieve the ideal scoopable texture. Finally, elevate your presentation with a simple, elegant garnish, perhaps some fresh berries or a drizzle of homemade caramel. Enjoy your exquisite creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.